Hello there. Welcome back to Public Finance and 5. In this video, we want to look at question 3 of the question paper of November 2024. So we are going to look at the first question that we have, which is 3.1, which is going to discuss 5 characteristics of a particular services. And we are seeing that our question uh, has got 15 marks. So obviously for each characteristic, we have got 3 marks. So it's very important for you to take note. So the characteristics of particular services, we are given the year whereby we say apportionable, exclusive, exhaustible, direct return, and no monopolies. So see that these are the 5 characteristics that we have. But of course, in terms of apportionable, we are saying there is a price per unit. Uh, 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 as with refuse collection, water supply, and selling plants from the municipal nursery. And then when we are talking about exclusive, we are saying non-payers cannot use these services. So it can only be used by those who can pay. And then we're given examples of refuse being collected only if a person pays for the collection thereof. So this is the explanation on exclusive. Then we've got exhaustible, meaning they can be re-supplied, meaning exhaustible. So we also have direct return, that is the taxpayer receives the value for each unit paid. So you are going to get value of what you have paid for in return. So that's what we have on direct return. And then we go to the no monopolies. So obviously on no monopolies, we are saying there are no monopolies. So we cannot have a scenario whereby we have one service provider. As some of these services operate in the open market, which means it's open for many service providers. So basically that's what we have in terms of no monopolies. Then moving on to the second question that we have, which is explain 5 functions of the finance committee at local government level. So we take note that it's at local government level, and of course the question 10 marks, 5 points needed, each with 2 marks. So moving on, you see that these are the functions that we are given. The functions that we are given on 3.2, which are the functions of the finance committee at a local government level. So I see that the first function that we have is keeping financial records. Of course, our financial records will compose of even financial statements and anything that concerns financial issues. And then we've got the second one whereby we are looking at purchasing and safekeeping of all stores and materials. And obviously, we are saying that we are also going to take into account the stock that is going to be maintained at that local government level. Is also going to be part of that. And I'll go to management of all funds and investment, registrations of all funds and investment. I also have registrations of loans and interest payments of the loans, collection of all money to the council, and recording of capital assets and depreciation is also part of that. Then moving on to the next question, which is 3.3. It is name 9 types of public officials who are considered to be corrupt, in brackets, types of maladministration and corruption. So obviously we're going to have many types of public officials that we are going to list there, but we have got a long list that we have mentioned in our other section, whereby we have got the first one, people working in the police service, home affairs official. There's the second one. We also have officials awarding public tenders. We also have people working in the public education sector. We also have people working in the public health sector. Officials issuing business permits. Politicians at local levels. Politicians at provincial levels. We also have federally people working in the judicial services. So remember, the question is asking for 9. So any 9 can be correct. Then I'm moving on to next one, which is 3.4. Explain 2 problems encountered in the participatory democracy. So a participatory democracy, generally, we are saying this is a scenario whereby citizens participate individually and directly in political decisions and policies that affect their lives. That is a participatory democracy. So problems that can be encountered, it is time consuming is the first problem. It is expensive to implement. It works well with a smaller community. So these are the challenges that we have. Remember, it's not applicable to larger communities, so it becomes a challenge. Then moving on to the last question that we have is name 3 levels of government, and obviously these are very clear, as we have the national or central government, also a provincial government, and lastly we have got local government or municipality. Those are the 3 that we have. So this becomes the last part of our question, of our question 3 of November 2024. So we can take notes our question. Yes, 50 marks. That is our question 3. So thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. And please let's stay tuned for more videos to come. Let's meet again in the next video. And as for this video, I'm signing out.